Now we're going to attach our back to our front and side assembly. So again, we want to pay attention to where the X's are. And I am going, so my X's are pointed that way, all right? And my X is here, and this is going to be the bottom, okay? So I'm going to flip my side and front assembly around. Again, my X's are over here where my hand is on the right-hand side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put my finger right where this line is, and I'm going to go ahead and butt my finger. You can see my finger's right in line with the line. I'm going to butt it with the bottom of my side front assembly. And my goal here is to get this nice and flush or even across here. So once I'm able to accomplish that, okay, and I'm just going to turn this around. You don't have to do that, but you can see that this is off a little bit, so maybe you do need to check yours. And just double check your work. Make sure that it's lined up again. I got my finger on there, probably talking too much and not paying enough attention. And I get that nice and flush again. So once I get this nice and even, I'm going to push down on this side. I'm ignoring the other side for right now. I'm just going to push down on this side, get it nice and even. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop those nails in. Again, I just give each one a whack just to kind of get it set. And then I can come back and I would totally set those nails and pound it down to the surface. Then once that's done, you can see, okay, that my side is kind of sticking out. Okay, so what I'm going to want to do on this side is just go ahead and bend it in. Okay, and you might need a partner to do this and get it nice and even and flush, and then push it down again. And once this is even, you just keep a hand on it and then go ahead, give each one of these nails a whack, double check your work again, and then you can go ahead and set these nails down to the surface of the wood.